Landshore Enterprises, LLC, with offices in Fort Lauderdale, Florida and headquartered in Venice, Florida, is a turnkey national design-build environmental company specializing in shoreline erosion control, repair and restoration challenges. Landshore uses non-structural, bioengineering, and biotechnical methods to fulfill the demands of our clients. Utilizing revetment mats to prevent erosion. Articulated concrete mats, also known as revetment mats, are often used to prevent shifting subgrades and ensure proper watershed in flood-prone areas. They are an affordable and durable erosion control solution that's pleasing to the eye. How it works. The primary task of the articulated concrete mat is to stabilize the grade of the land and thus provide effective drainage for water. It is incredibly versatile and can be used anywhere, most often in areas where water meets land. There are various uses for this product. Pot ramps, bridge abutments, canals, channels, culverts, embankments, landfills, pipeline protection, residential waterways, retention basins, shoreline protection, slopes, wetland protection.
There are different design options. The articulated concrete mat comes in two forms: open cell. The blocks are open to allow vegetation to cover the blocks over time. Closed cell, heavier than open cell blocks. The closed cell blocks are deployed in heavily eroded areas and prone to high volumes of water. Channels and culverts are good examples. Landshore Enterprises will make recommendations based on the preferences of the project.
Landshore Enterprises wishes to extend our warmest thanks to our clients. We deeply appreciate each customer. From our perspective, we feel our relationship is more of a special partnership than just a contract with a client. We work with each client in a way that is both communicative and constructive, and always appreciate comments and feedback to make us better at our job. We have the expertise, resources, technology, and collaborative insight to create designs and solutions that far exceed our clients' expectations. Due to our extensive experience in resolving various erosion problems around the nation, Landshore Enterprises is proud to guarantee complete satisfaction on all projects.